Okay. Hello, my lovely viewers. So welcome to today's English post-UTME questions. Now, this is a combination of Uniport, Unizik, and UNI-ILORI post-UTME. Now, this is a combination of Uniport, Unizik, UNILORI, and UNILAG post-UTME on English language. So, let's go. I am writing to you for dash reasons. Concerned, several, plenty, myriad of. Now, the correct answer to this question is I'm writing to you for myriad of reasons. D is the correct answer. They dash by now. I can hear all the people shouting. Would have arrived, must have arrived, had arrived, should have arrived. Now, to answer this question correctly, you can see that this is something that should have been done. And here again, we have our tenses in the present. So what must be here must be in the present perfect, and it's something that is being expected. So looking at it, what should it be? Would have arrived or should have arrived? The correct answer is should have arrived. Many streets in the town dash in need of lights at night. Stand, stood, have stood, are standing. Now, this is an habitual act. An habitual act goes with present tense. So this is what? Stand. Many streets in the town stand in need of lights at night. The boy who stole mango was given dash by an eyewitness. Giving out. This is out, please. In, away, up. Now, to give up means to, you are done. To give away means to be generous. To give in means to surrender, but to give out means to reveal. So somebody revealed the guy that stole mango. So the correct answer is A, give out. In each of the questions 5 to 7, choose the option opposite in meaning to the word or phrase underlined. A novel is an embellished falsehood, said the teacher. What are we looking for? Opposite. Enriched, exaggerated, adorned, obliterated. Now, the opposite of embellish. Embellish means something that is beautiful, decorated. So the opposite of it is what? Obliterated. Curiously, he escaped unhurt. Opposite, interestingly, unsurprisingly, annoyingly, unusually. Opposite of curiously from the options here is what? B, unsurprisingly. His comment was so printable, punishable, suitable, offensive, unfair. Printable means that it was good. So the opposite of it is something that was bad, which is what? Offensive. C is the correct answer. In each of the questions 8 to 11, fill each gap with the appropriate option from the list. Following the gap, police are looking for dash. 2 big cars black, 2 cars big black, 2 big black cars, 2 black big cars. Now, looking at the option here, the question you are being asked here is from adjectives. And following the order of adjective, you're going to have your number 2 before your size, big. And you're going to have size before color, and then the noun. So the correct answer is 2 big black cars, C. Our president and chairman of the occasion that just arrived has just arrived, having just arrived, have just arrived, had just arrived. Our president and chairman, how many persons are here? Now, a lot of students make this mistake. They think that once you see and, that it must be 2 persons involved. No. Sometimes there are exceptions to that. Sometimes when you see and, you have to look at the sentence again to be sure that it is 2 persons or 1. Now, looking at this, our president and chairman. Who is our president? Chairman. Who is the chairman? President. But if there had been an article or a pronoun here, something like our president and the chairman, or our president and his, you know that are two different people. So in this case, they are the same person, even though they were, connived, even though they were joined together with what? And. So let's look at the options. Has, having, have, had. Now, because there are two persons here, it will go with a singular verb. So what's the singular verb here? A, as. In dash, we as politicians identify with the masses. A more deeper sense, a much deeper sense, a most deeper sense, much more deeper sense. Now, this is still under adjectives. And following the law of adjective, looking at the word here, deeper, which is comparative, whatever that must come before the deeper must also be another comparative. So more is positive, much is comparative, most is superlative. So what's the correct answer? Much. Much deeper, because this is comparative. It has been confirmed that the election held in July will be, is being, has been, have been. So here it has been confirmed, present tense, that the election held in July here is talking about an action that is yet to be performed. And what will it be in the future tense? So what's the correct answer? Will be. In each of the questions 12 to 14, choose the most appropriate option, opposite in meaning. Opposite is what we are looking for. Mrs. Coffee is very provocative in her dressing. Okay, provocative, modest, happy, angry, beautiful. Opposite of provocative is what? Modest. Aduma was so vociferous during the meeting of the congregation that he succeeded in incurring the wrath of the chairman. Anger, admiration, displeasure, sympathy. Okay, wrath. We're looking at the word wrath. What's the opposite of wrath? Opposite of wrath is what? Admiration. Wrath means anger. If you are not, somebody is not angry with you, the person will be praising you, which is what? Admiration. The girl's idiosyncrasy was passion for bread and butter. Idiosyncrasy, opposite, stupid outburst, general tendency, singular characteristic, occupational calling. Now, girls' idiosyncrasy talks about one girl, her manner of thinking. Idiosyncrasy means your manner of, thinking, your ideology. So, the opposite of it, now this is something as singular characteristic, but we're looking for the opposite. The opposite would be what? General tendency. General. In each questions 15 and 16, select the option that best explains the information conveyed in the sentence. Ngozi has always considered her father to be an impassioned man. Impassioned. What does this mean? Her father is a very lively man. Her father is an emotional man. Her father is a disciplined man. Her father is a very strict man. So impassioned here means an emotional man. Her father is an emotional man. So B is the correct answer. If he went to London, he would see the Queen. So what does this mean? When he goes to London, he would see the Queen. He did not go to London and did not see the Queen. He did not see the Queen when he went to London. He would like to see the Queen when he goes to London. So if he went to London, he will see the Queen. That means it's an action that has been completed. So what does it mean? It simply means that he did not go to London, hence he did not do what? See the Queen. B. In each of the questions 17 to 19, choose an appropriate option nearest in meaning to the word or phrase in italics. Nearest in meaning is what we are looking for now. He's well known for his inordinate ambition. What is inordinate here? Another word, nearest in meaning. Excessive, passionate, moderate, sound. Inordinate means something that is mundane, too much. So another word for that is what? Excessive. Agbenu was ecstatic about her results. Aesthetic. We are looking at synonyms. That is similar in meaning. Dispassionate, sad, pessimistic, mad. Aesthetic talks about something that is what? Happy. You are very happy about. So the opposite will be what? From the options here, the opposite is mad, like something you are. Sorry, the nearest in meaning, we're looking at nearest in meaning. The nearest in meaning will be mad, like something you are very happy about. You're going gaga. Toyin is married to an impatient, self-centered man. Now, we're looking at the word impatient. Another word for that is a fretful, a tolerant, an edgy, a tolerable. So another word for impatient is what? Fretful, fretful. Choose the option which correctly fills the blank space in questions 20 to 25. A swarm of dash attacked the picnic makers. Termites, birds, gorillas, bees. Now, this question is testing your ability to communicate collective noun. So, a swarm of what? Is it a swarm of termites or birds or gorillas or bees? A swarm of bees. So, D is the correct answer. Next, the night watchman has a dash of arrows. Bag, catchy, quiver, bundle. The man has a arrow of dash, has a dash of arrows. The correct answer is what? Quiver, quiver of arrows. The huge dragnet enclosed a dash of fish. Shall, school, den, flock. Now we're looking at the collective noun of fish. The plural of fish is fish, not fishes. So the correct answer is what? Shall, A. Within 1 minute, Okocha hit the back of the net twice, and the dash roared in applause. Spectacles, audience, congregation, spectators. Now, Okocha hit the back of the net twice. That means these guys are in a stadium. People who are in a stadium are referred to as what? Spectators. Group of people worshiping are referred to as what? Congregation. Group of people watching movie in a theater are referred to as audience. Okay, next. A motorist who accidentally killed an old man was arrested and charged to court with dash, murder, manslaughter, suicide, assassination. Now, this was an accident, so the correct answer is what? Manslaughter. So, but if it was intentional, it would be murder. And if it was done by the motorist did it to himself, it would be called suicide. And if people were hired to do the job, it would be called what? Assassination. So the correct answer for this, because it was an accident, is what? Manslaughter. Okay, we've come to the end of today's class. Thank you for watching and joining me. Do not forget to subscribe and look out for more subjects that will be uploaded on this channel, and also do well to invite your friends. Thank you and success in your exam. Bye. Chichi. Banka asịgodi na nne emegodi maka na m bịaziri sịchazie every sị ka megodi YouTube maka a sị na Unizik nwere ike idepụsiti emi sị ya ka biko so ụmụazị ya na-aga YouTube na-achọ sị ya biko ka m mee ihe stop